Okay, so this is my Holocaust survey. So I just did it like over the whole Holocaust rather than pick a specific subject because I felt like it was easier to get like a poll over like what they all know about like the whole Holocaust. So I did how much do they know about the Holocaust. It's like a 1 through 10, and then like different, like you can click as many as you want in this one. This one you can click as many as you want. This one's a yes, no, and then this one is just a like you click which one you think. So if you want to look at the responses, you just like come this way. And one thing I figured out is I should make this required because there's 5 people that responded, but only 3 responded to this question, which I just don't think that they like clicked it or like they just skipped over it. I don't know. So like as you can see, like people think they like know pretty much about it. And then this one, how many people have you heard of? So like nobody has heard of Joseph Mengele. So like that would be something as a teacher I would like talk about really like heavily. And then like everyone knew Adolf Hitler and Frank. And then Eva Korovich is like more of like a local person, which would be cool, like tie in. So then the next one is the concentration camps, and everyone's heard of Auschwitz. So that one would be one you talk about, but you don't have to spend as much time on. And then the other ones you could spend more time on. And then do you know what war the Holocaust took place during? Everyone said yes. And so like that, since it wasn't an assessment, like I don't know if they actually know. So like during an assessment, I would actually ask like them to like do it, or like I could ask in class or something. And then how many people do you think died? This one like has a lot of different answers, so this would be like it's kind of cool to like see how many like they think, and then during class you could actually like discuss like what the right answer was. So yeah.